Hello everyone and welcome to my review and demonstration of this LG Direct Drive 8kg washing machine. This particular appliance was supplied to me from AO.com. There's a link below the video if you want to check out current pricing and availability. This is a standard size freestanding washing machine measuring 85 centimeters high, 60 centimeters wide and 58 centimeters deep. Starting at the top of the machine with the dispenser drawer, we have compartments for your main wash powder, pre-wash powder and fabric softener. The main selector dial is situated in the middle of the control panel and allows you to choose the various program options. So you have to start the machine first by pressing the on-off button, and then you're greeted by an illuminated display. So the default setting on this washer is cottons. You can turn the dial of course to any of the other programs you want. So there's the regular cotton program. Then you've got a Cotton Plus program, which is for larger loads of dirty cotton clothing. Then you've got a mixed wash program that allows you to wash cottons and polyester and other lightly soiled items in the same wash load. Then Easy Care, that's your general Easy Care program for your blouses and shirts, etc. Then you've got a setting for duvet. Now this machine recommends you can only really wash a single duvet in it, but you might get away with washing a double-sized summer quilt 4.5 tog or below. You might fit that in this machine. It's quite a large capacity at 8 kilograms, but it's not as big as some of the machines you can buy. Then you have a hygiene setting. That's very useful if you want to wash your bedding. That uses a higher temperature, especially useful if you're washing bedding from anyone who's been sick, just to ensure that you've killed all those nasty germs. Then of course baby care is for washing your baby clothes. On this side of the control panel we have the sportswear option. That's obviously for washing your running or sports gear. Then you have a gentle care program for things like wool and other hand washable clothes. A delicate program for your delicate blouses and underwear. A stain care program, that's for different kinds of stain removal for cotton blended fabrics, but not for use with delicate fabrics. That's designed to remove most machine washable stains from your garments. Then you have a silent wash, which is a quiet wash for using overnight. Then for a very small load that just needs freshening up, you've got the Speed 14 program that will do a wash, rinse and spin in 14 minutes. And finally we have the download cycle that allows you to add an additional wash program using your home Wi-Fi. The control panel on the washing machine, apart from showing you the remaining time of your selected program, will also give you various options. You can only select the options that are safe for the main program you have selected. If you're washing a smaller load, you can select TurboWash on selected programs, which will do a full load in under an hour. For heavily soiled laundry, you can do an optional pre-wash by pressing the TurboWash button. Keep your finger held on it until the display illuminates. The next button along is your intensive setting for heavily soiled clothing. This button also activates the child lock function. If any member of your family has sensitive skin, you can add an additional rinse to all major programs by pressing the Rinse Plus button. The Rinse Plus button can also be used to activate the tub clean feature. If you use mainly liquid detergents and low temperature washing, you might find after a while your machine can begin to smell. By using the tub clean feature, it ensures it gives it a thorough clean and prevents any nasty odours. You can use the delay end function to postpone the ending of the program, anything from 3 hours right up to 24. Simply select the time you require and then press the start button. Once the program has started, if you forgot to add an item, you can press this button and the door will unlock, but it'll only unlock if it's safe to do so, so if the water level or temperature is too high, the door will remain locked. The final two options on this LG washing machine are the temperature and spin speed selector. So you have some degree of flexibility with your spin speed and temperatures, but it'll only allow you to change what is safe to change according to the main program. So on this particular program that's selected is the cotton program, so I can wash at 40 degrees, or I can increase it to 60, even up to 95 should I want to, or a cold wash, a 20-degree wash, or a 30-degree wash, and I can also tailor the spin from a maximum 1400 right down to no spin, or I can have a 400, 800, 1000 or a 1200 spin. Okay, I think I've shown you all the main features and functions of this LG washing machine. It's now time to do a load of laundry. There's no button to open the door, there's just a little recessed part here, so you can just open the door nice and wide. This door will stop in my particular setup because I have a cupboard here, but it does open a lot wider than this. So I'm just going to do a mainly cotton load of t-shirts. There's a couple of pairs of jeans as well. But it's mainly tops. I've got one pair of work trousers too. I've turned my jeans inside out and done up the zip, etc. So as I said, this will take a maximum 8 kilogram wash load, but obviously to prevent creasing and for better efficiency you don't want to overload the machine. That's for me quite a small load. I tend to just mix everything together when I'm doing my laundry. I just tend to put cottons and synthetics in one wash and use a mixed program, and I find that gives me good results. I do use a Hygiene program though when I'm washing my towels and bedding. Okay, that's in the drum, nice and loose. Let's close the door and add the detergent. Because I'm using a liquid detergent, I'm going to put a capful into the machine as it's filling with water. I think this helps prevent any wastage. But I can add my fabric conditioner at the start of the wash. That will be introduced into the final rinse water. I've added a small capful of softener to this compartment here, and when the machine starts to fill with water, I'm just going to pour this capful of detergent into the drawer. As I said, you can do this at the start of the wash, but you need to make sure you're setting the program straight away. This is no good if you're using it on the delay start feature. Because most of the clothes I'm washing are cotton, I'm going to use the cotton program. So I'll just select it on the dial here, and then because it's only a small load, I'm going to select TurboWash, which will reduce the washing time considerably. Now all I have to do is press start. At the beginning of the program, the machine is actually sensing the weight of the clothes in the wash tub, so it can adjust the water level accordingly. This washing machine has what LG call 6 motion action, and at the moment I believe it's doing the filtration action. Now basically 6 motion is just different actions that the washing machine performs during various programs in order to clean and care for your clothes. Not all actions will feature in every single program. For example, there's extra special gentle actions as well as more intensive actions designed to clean those stubborn stains. At the moment it's in its regular tumble mode, but it will alternate between actions in order to get a thorough clean wash. The direct drive motor in this LG washing machine does away with belts and carbon brushes, so it should make the machine quieter and hopefully more reliable. Well, that delightful tune tells us the washing has finished, so let's remove it from the drum. Now obviously I haven't stained these garments. A lot of the performance of a washing machine is determined by the detergent you use. I never have very dirty clothes, but everything that's come out of this machine so far has been very well spun, I must say. It spins very well, and the machine does its job quietly and efficiently. As I said, it's early days with this. I've only had it just over a week. It's hard to judge a washing machine from just a week's ownership, but so far I've been pretty impressed with this LG direct drive washer. All in all, it's got the programs I need. It's a pretty good machine, and I think it looks fabulous in this steel colour. It goes very well with the rest of my kitchen. If you want this in white, it's also available in the white colour. You can click on AO.com's link below to go to their website, and you'll see this washing machine plus many other appliances for you to select from. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments section below. And until the next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.